It's a question of the day. Where did you grow up? And how do you feel about that place? How do you feel about that city that you grew up in? And is it close to where you are now? We all have a story, and our story all starts from where we're from. It all starts from that city that we were born in, or that we grew up in. And that's how we form our values. That's how we form our beliefs. It's where the very beginning of our story starts. So comment below. I want to hear from you. I want to hear where you're from. I want to hear where your story begins. And as for me, I'm in the city where I grew up. I'm in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. So I live in Chicago, and Oshkosh is about 3 hours north. And this is the house that I grew up in, right here. That's my mom's house. In fact, I'm here this weekend, but my mom isn't here, which is funny. She's out of town. But my husband and I are here for the weekend and hanging out in my hometown house, hanging out in the place that I grew up in, and it's quiet. There's no traffic at all. Barely. I mean, it's like 60,000 people, but there's no traffic on the street as I record this video for you. But yeah, this is where I grew up, and how do I feel about it? I love it. I do. I love where I grew up. I'm really proud of it. And then sometimes I get, you know, I miss the city. I miss the big city when I'm here. So it's nice to have two places. It's nice to have like the happy medium. So this is where I grew up. Now you can see the house that I grew up in. And, you know, it's like I said, it's 3 hours from Chicago. So it's a nice drive. And I love it. But I know when I go back to Chicago tomorrow that I'm going to love Chicago too, because that's my home for the moment. Comment below, let's hear from you, and while you're there, subscribe, come hang out with us. It's kind of a cool place to be, and tell a friend, because the more people we have to have this conversation, the sooner we can change the world. Thanks.